This is my first winter camp since surgery. So how's things going? Well, today is the 22nd. So 19 days ago I had complete knee replacement surgery done. I'm walking slow, but I'm still walking. Physical therapy's going great. I'm doing all my exercises and stuff like I'm supposed to be. But it was time. I needed to come get some fresh air, enjoy the beautiful mountains. It's a beautiful day. There's a chance of snow tomorrow, so I thought, you know what? Let's go enjoy some beautiful weather, sit by a campfire, cook some food, and just relax. I've been working my butt off. Worth every minute though. I know this summer is going to be amazing, and I am so excited. So very grateful for this experience. So we're gonna kick back, enjoy a beautiful evening. We'll see what happens. It's like 20 degrees right now, so it's not real cold. It's chilly. You know, I've got a heated jacket on. It's kind of nice. I'm cheating, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. So let's just enjoy it. Not doing anything exciting. Not gonna do a whole bunch of walking around. I do have my ice machine with me, and I will ice later. I ice right before I go to bed every night anyways. But we're going to try some campfire cooking in a cast iron pan. I haven't done that before, so this is going to be a new experience for me. Gonna do some bacon first. Give me some grease to work with. Got some asparagus and a T-bone. We're going to cook it right there. Then we got home right there. No harm, no foul. 10-second rule. It looks like we lost our sun. It might come back for a little bit, it looks like, but probably not for long. A little early. Let's flip it one more time then. Yay, the sun's back. Yay. Didn't bring any warmth with it though. Definitely cool out. Good. All right, dinner's done. So I'm gonna grub up. And then we're going to go back out there and enjoy that campfire and catch whatever sunshine we can. So I'm not going to bore you with me eating, but I will slice into it here and show you what we're working with here. Nice little medium rare. That's good. I have to do that more. Catch a little bit of sun before it's gone. What do you think of that? Not bad, huh? Some beautiful snow-capped mountains on this side. Nice long sunset going all the way around. Looks like it's going to be a decent night. They're calling for major overcast, but it looks like we might have a little clear sky where we're at, so we'll take it. I'm gonna go get back in the van again. It's warm in there. It's cold out here. Okay, well, I'm gonna kick back and watch a movie. It's dark outside. I've been in here. I cleaned up my dishes, and yeah, I didn't want to bore you guys with that again, so I just been in here doing a little cleaning. But I got one question for you, and I'll let the camera zoom around. Let me know if you see anything different. Let me know in the comments. Anyhow, I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna fire up my ice machine here in a little bit and cool my knee down, and we'll check back later. Alright, got the ice machine on, and I'm gonna chill out. Literally chill. It's ice cold. This is full of ice and water, and it circulates through the hoses and then around my leg. Pretty cool little machine. I've had a few of them now since I've had 4 knee surgeries. Well, 3 knee surgeries and 1 replacement. Anyhow, I'm gonna lay back and read for a little bit, let this do its thing. Just finished watching a couple movies. It's 9:45, so I'll chill out for half hour, and then I'm gonna probably call it a night. But thanks for coming along, and I'll probably see you in the morning. Not a bad thing to wake up to. It was nice and quiet, and here was my view when I woke up. Can't complain about that. Looks like it's sunny back towards Soldotna, so I'm gonna get heading that way. Thanks for coming along on this trip. I appreciate it. My first outing out since surgery, and it felt great. So take care out there, everybody.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my 3rd second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a